Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be diving down into XRP. We're going to be talking about the overall price action on the daily chart, 4-hour chart, and we are going to be talking about the 1-hour chart. Now the big question is, when is XRP going to turn bullish? That is what I would like to know personally. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. So as you guys can see, for the chart of XRP, it is kind of all over the place in my own personal opinion. We've had a big pump here, and we had a nasty dump here. We had a big pump here, and we had a nasty dump here. We had a big pump here, and technically we had another nasty dump here. Now, before I continue, if anybody does not know what's going on with XRP, they're actually in a massive lawsuit. They have been removed from many crypto exchanges, which means that there is a lack of liquidity at this current moment. But once XRP gets through this lawsuit, and once they win, because I do believe that they will win, we should see the price action turn extremely, and I mean extremely bullish. So diving down right into it, I want you guys to see that yes, the price action is bearish. We do have a nasty sloping resistance. So technically we have been under this sloping resistance since our all-time highs, well, technically our last previous all-time high around $1.95. So XRP has been struggling with this sloping resistance. You guys can see that we got a nasty rejection here, we got a nasty rejection here, and we got a nasty rejection here. So until XRP can get above this sloping resistance, it is going to be bearish. Now, not only do we have one sloping resistance, we actually have two sloping resistances, which means that we are technically double bearish. So XRP has a lot of work to do to become extremely bullish. But once we get past that lawsuit, as stated, I believe we're going to be looking for a monster move to the upside. Now, my key level area that I'm going to be looking for whenever it comes to XRP is going to be 85 cents. You're probably thinking, well, why 85? Well, if we take a look here, you guys will see for XRP that there was a lot of resistance right around this area. Support resistance, resistance here, resistance here. Not only that, the 200 EMA along with the sloping resistances, both of them. Once we get past this key level area, 85 cents, you guys, XRP is going to be extremely, and I mean extremely bullish, okay? So once we get that breakout, we're probably going to be looking for a beautiful gap up, which is going to be all the way up here to like $1.10. So once we get past that, you guys, all the way past 85, this is technically our next target. The reason is because you guys can see that there is a lack of price action in between this space all the way until $1.10. But obviously, we are still far away from this. All right, so XRP still sitting in a downtrend at this current moment. The other question that we have is, do we have any type of sloping support? I would say yes, but it is very, very shallow. So it does look like XRP has a small sloping support. So technically we're still creating higher lows here, but it is very, very shallow. You guys can see that the sloping resistance here is very steep, but the sloping support is very shallow. So which means there's a good chance it's probably not as strong as the sloping resistance at this current moment. So for XRP, ladies and gentlemen, we got to get a bounce here, okay? If we happen to fall below, looks like it's probably going to be about 65 cents. Let's go ahead and double check really quick. Yes, it is. So if we happen to fall below that sloping support along with 65 cents, then we are going to be turning bearish. There was a strong resistance here around 65, strong resistance here, and strong support right here. So if we break below 65 cents, then XRP is not going to be looking good. Technically, in this case, we're going to be looking for a nasty, and I mean a nasty gap to the downside. So we're talking about a key level area, which is probably going to be all the way down here at about 50 cents. Okay, that would be a nasty sell-off whenever it comes to XRP. So the big question is what is going to happen? Well, we're under our 200 EMA, we're under our sloping resistances, and we're still breaking to the downside. If we break this area right here, then that's not going to be looking good. But once we get through that lawsuit and once it gets approved or once we win, then obviously we're going to be looking for a monster, and I mean a monster push to the upside whenever it comes to XRP. So if you guys will, leave some comments down below and tell us, are you bullish or are you bearish? Are we looking for a consolidation? Okay, let us know. Let us know. So smash at that like button. Smash at that subscribe button. You guys have a wonderful day, and we will see you later, and ciao.